Alright, I have my 18 on here. This is where I left off from the other video. But basically I'm removing my rack and pinion because it's gone bad. And as you can see, it's leaking over there. But I'm finishing up where I left off at. I ended up messing around and stopping the video, but right here you got a 18 bolt right there, which is 18 or 11/16. The same thing over there, one right there. But basically, I'm not, you know what I'm saying, I'm not sponsored by Milwaukee or anything, but man, this is there. I love this impact. You know what I'm saying? You need to get you one. You know, it's pretty expensive, but you can catch them on sale. I bought mine off the tool truck. And if you're gonna get this, don't forget to get that battery. If you want this gun to work to its full potential, you gotta have that battery. That's a good battery. And it's a good gun, but and it's brushless, so you don't gotta worry about it burning up or nothing, but you pull it off like it ain't nothing. Alright. Do the same thing over there. Well, it's hard to do this work and try to record. I'm gonna get my gear right soon, but as you can see right here, I took the steering arm right there. It's the lower steering arm. The upper one is on going towards the inner side of the car, but I put the pry bar in between. It's like in between the U-joint right there in this side, and I just kept wiggling it till it slid on up the shaft. Popped it on off. Now I'm gonna get up on the car and pull it on forward and take it down if I can take that power steering line off that's going to it. Alright, cut the light on. Right here, in order to remove this, you got the, that's if y'all Crown Vic have it, but most of them should have it. It's this right here, this black plastic thing, it's when you screw your oil filter out, the oil flows in it. And then you just, it runs off right here and then just fall in your pin. That's where it don't get over everything, you know what I'm saying, up under the car. But you're gonna have to pop that off, because see, it clamps over the line. You have to pop it out the way, and it connects back there. I don't know if you can see it, like right there where it clamps down, but you pop it all up and slide it out of there, without damaging it. And you know what I'm saying, just keep pulling it, it'll come on to you. You just gotta, have patience. It's messy all up in there though, I tell you that. And it's real tight, and I got big hands, but that's for the people that, got a rack and pinion leak. This is what you got to, go through in order to get it out. Well, like I say, see, you just got to take the time and, maneuver around everything, and she'll pop out and come right on to you like that. I didn't even break it or nothing. Got a clip right there. Still got the clip right there. And it's dirty like that because, I keep my oil changed. And before I bought it, the oil stayed changed because it's a police car. But yeah, once you do that, you'll be able to get it down far enough to just slide it forward, And see, it's long, it goes all the way over that stud, so you're going to slide it even and just let it drop down enough so you can take the line. See, this is the line right here. Just run into it. And you take it off up there. I'll show you that in a minute.